Good morning, iAcademy Global, and welcome to second session of second semester. Today is the 20th day of second semester, and because it is Tuesday, not Monday, I thought we should go through some video announcements so we can talk about what some of our expectations are for this week. I hope you guys had a wonderful break. If you are on the west side of Michigan right now, I hope you enjoyed the sunshine and the little bit warmer temperatures, although I know a snowstorm is coming. What I'd like us to start out with is looking, of course, at the most important part of ELA, in my opinion, that helps really just keep us on track, and that's our calendar. If you click on the calendar today, you're going to see that February 23 is highlighted with the tags that session 2 has begun today, and today is the 20th day of second semester. The reason why the days of the semester are labeled, as you guys know by now, is because that's what shows you what work needs to be done each day if you want to stay on pace, or what work needs to be done each week if you choose to do your classes a day at a time. And so days 20, 21, 22, and 23 are what we're going to be focusing on this week. So as you can see, today is day 20 and tomorrow's 21. Thursday is 22, and then Friday, when everything is due, is the 23rd. If you are going through ELA each day at a time, you're going to be able to see that most of what is due on Friday you'll actually complete early. If you do your classes one day focused on each class at a time, then just know that by Friday, whatever day you decide to do ELA, by Friday everything is due. So as you can see, the only option you have to click on the left-hand menu is Session 2. That's because Session 1 is no longer live, and everything that was not submitted from Session 1 will turn into a 0 when you look at the My Grades part of your grade book. So I'm going to be catching up on all of the late work that was turned in over break week that you'll get 50% credit for. So please know that by the end of the week this will be updated. If you click on Session 2, you are going to see the work that you have for today. Today is day 20, and I always start out the week with giving you guys reminders. Your reminders for this week are that you'll have a Just Right book assignment on Friday and no red ink work that is due on Friday. But remember, you don't have to wait until Friday to do either of those things. If you're plugging away and you're getting ahead, go ahead in ELA. Do the work early. This week you're going to be talking in your Just Right book about the problem that your character is facing. And then on Friday you are going to have practice and a quiz for compound and complex sentences. That's going to be due this week. Compound and complex sentences. You're going to have that due for your practice, and your quiz is what you're going to have in noredink.com for this week. Today, one of your assignments is to do journal entry number 5. Journal entry number 5 is to rate the top 10 things you have on your bucket list and tell me why you chose the things that you did. Your bucket list is basically a list of things you want to do before you kick the bucket, meaning before your life is over, what would you like to do or experience or accomplish? Your journal entry today is going to be about that. I want you to write it down in your journal and then either take a picture of your journal or do a quick summary in the submission entry option right here. Either one of those I'm totally fine with. The other thing you're going to have to do today is focus on the vocabulary for our next unit. Our next unit is Unit 7, Kindling Emotions. And inside of your course guide, you're going to see 20 different vocabulary words. It goes from subordinate to blank verse. All of those vocabulary words are going to need to be defined, and then here is your assignment about those definitions. This is going to need to be turned in for your assignment. That's what's due today. If you go through the rest of this week, you're going to realize that we're going to be working with our Greek and Latin root graphic organizer. That's in your course guide as well. You're going to be beginning your next unit, which is going to be talking about fact versus opinion and persuasive techniques. Notice the notes here. It kind of gives you a breakdown of what you're going to need to focus on this week, when you're going to need to use your course guide, and when you're going to need to be taking notes in your ELA notebook. Please pay attention to those notes that I set here, you guys. I promise I put them there to help you. On Thursday, if you go to Core Labs, we are going to be doing Author's Purpose together. If you don't come to Core Labs, you're going to be need to be doing Author's Purpose on your own and be using your ELA notebook to take notes because you will have a lesson check on Thursday. And then Friday is your day to focus on no red ink and your Just Right book reflection. No red ink work will be done right here on noredink.com. You're going to do the quiz, and I will be taking the quiz grades from noredink.com and putting them into your My Grades gradebook. And then your Just Right book reflection you are going to do and submit right here. You can either write submission for this or you may attach a Word document file. Either way is totally fine with me. I'm looking forward to talking with you guys and working through second session with you. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to continuing the awesome work that we're doing together this week. Have a great week, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.